Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video in the code mode, and today we are going to see how we can solve a common issue that is related to Git configuration. Username and email is not found. So let's reproduce this issue, and you can see in the state changes I have the 14 files to commit. And first of all, I am going to write a commit message for this. For now, I'm just going to write updated, and when I click on this commit button, and I can see make sure you configure your username and user email in the Git. This error message. Now we are going to see how we can resolve this error message. First of all, I'm going to cancel it. Basically, we have to check our git config username, and now we can see it's completely empty. Now I'm going to check git configure user.email, and it's also empty. We have to update these values, and for this first of all you should know your git config username and email. I can show it quickly. We can see it from Git profile where we have to commit these changes. You can see the username. This name should be updated in our git config. Now you will be wondering what should be the email, and email should be the same as we have for this account, this one. So we are going to set these username and email. To configure it, just write git config user.email and paste your email. And we can check it with this command git config user.email. And now our email is set. Now we have to update the username as well. So let's clear the terminal and use the same command, but this time we will use git config user.name. And now we can confirm it as well, git config user.name. Alright, so hopefully it will resolve our issue, and now we can test it again with the help of this commit. Alright, we can see our commit is successfully completed and our changes are also pushed. So that's all for this video. So if you are facing the same issue, I hope it will resolve your problem as well, but if not, you can mention your issues in comment section. I will be available. If you like this video, so please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel. It will help us to create more useful content. Have a nice day.